Hey everybody, this is Jason with Everything ATV UTV Reviews. Thanks for watching in advance. We're riding on a John Deere Gator 825i that has the Silent Rider attached. And in this video we're going to be going a little more in depth on our testing with a noise meter. This first clip is in the garage setting. This is as soon as we got it installed. The clip on your left is with the Silent Rider, the clip on the right is without it. So you can tell by that there's a 6 or 7 decimal decrease with the Silent Rider on at idle. This next test is we revved it up from idle all the way to the rev limiter, both with the Silent Rider and without it. And here's what we found. As you can tell by that, there's a definite noise reduction with the Silent Rider. In our last test here, we just did a wide open run with and without the Silent Rider. So those numbers kind of speak for themselves, but what you can't really hear in the video is the difference in the exhaust tone. Not only is it quieter, but it took the raspy bass tone out of the exhaust, and it's just a lot more comfortable to ride in here, you know, for hours on end, and a lot more relaxing. When you get off of it, you don't feel like you're exhausted from all the noise. Silent Rider, good value. It's a made in the USA product. These guys have been very helpful, very supportive with their information. They know what they're doing. Check them out. ATVsilencer.com. Thanks for watching.